Can you hear it? The sound of many voices, many nations, many stories gathered on the same soil. From every tribe, every tongue, every generation, still standing, still hoping, still believing. God is not finished yet. I've seen the mountains, I've seen the valleys, the victories, the scars. I've seen hands lifted in faith and hearts searching in the dark. But the God who watched our beginning still holds tomorrow in His hands. And if His people will call upon Him, He will heal the land. If my people, which are called by my name, shall humble themselves and pray, and He will hear from heaven, and He will forgive, and He will heal the land. From every tribe, from every tongue, one nation under God, America. Shine.